Hey guys, sorry I didn't fix the fence in the last episode. I'm going to get onto that now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again for part 6, I think. So if you remember in the last video, we had Curtis over and we cleared the patio down the bottom, and we did a bit more cutting back with a brush cutter, so it's opened up massively now, which is really good. So let's just go and check in with the boss to see what the plan is today. Right, what we saying? Okay, so this is me, this is you, fence panel in here. Got ya. And as always guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's crack on. Here's your before shot guys. Before we start, I've got to go and get a fence panel. Let's go and do that first. Right guys, one fence panel, one gravel board, let's get back to the garden. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, lift. Come on, lift it up higher, lift higher, lift up. You're not lifting, you've got to lift the same time as me. The lovely neighbour next door has just given me 2 hot pakoras. Let's rate it out of 10. Missing out on this. This normally works better with 2 people, so this side of the garden I'm not going to touch at the minute. I'm just going to leave. My main focus is to try and clear and get, you've got to do it in segments, try and get as much of this tidied up as possible, and then lift some of these flagstones up, and hopefully we can get hopefully we can sort of get to the point where we can bring a rotavator in and rotivate it all up. It's hot. I'm feeling like I'm sweating already. This isn't the funnest job to do on your own, because the only way you can really do it is by just raking it up and putting it into bags. Obviously always better when you've got someone else working with you. Dino is just, he's just not cut out for this type of work, so I've just told him to take the day off. Yeah, I'm going to start blowing quickly, just get the blower down here, just see what I've missed. Rake, blow, pick up, whatever. I think it must be the curse of the grabbers. Get in there, Curtis. Getting down to the last bulky bits of the rubbish, a bit more blowing to be done, and then you kind of sort of discovered the garden. I want to try and find these pathways a little bit better as well. You can see just under here there's some path, and these bloody brambles. Nuisance things, and all this ivy's just trailing along the actual from the beds. But it doesn't matter if there's a little bit, well, there's going to be quite a lot in there. So what we're going to do is I might actually just trim over the top, trim the ivy. Then when we get the rotavator in, we can then tackle the roots that way, because this all gets tangled up in the rotavator tines, and yeah, just gets a bit of a nightmare. But that's what we got so far, guys. Creepy doll's house again. It's proper like discovered now. I'm not even sure that's going to last if I moved it. Yeah. What do you reckon, guys? Move it down the end? Where is Dino? Literally haven't seen him since I started. He went off in a sulk. Anyway, right. This is quite interesting as well. I'm not sure what it is. Can't see what it says on it. Maybe I'll get the wire brush on it and see what it says. Hope it's not grave. I don't think it would be, but who knows? We'll find out. Those of you in America, Bud Light, beer or lager, what do you call it? Because I suppose in a way, we in the UK we refer to it as a lager, but well, we refer to it as a beer really. I don't know. So I've tidied it up the best I can. You can still see that, you know, there's still brambles and stuff in here, but fingers crossed next week we're getting a digger in here and we're going to get a rotavator as well. So we're going to dig out a lot of the brambles and things like that, and a rotavator as well. So hopefully Curtis is going to pick that up for us and he's going to come over and come on. And then the plan for this is to get it reseeded before the end of the year, fleeced, so that we can go into a next year and there's a lawn. But that's the goal. And like I said, this area here, I'm not even going to focus on this area for the minute. I've just cut it back. It's something, whether I decide to do it or not, I don't know, we'll see. But main focus is to kind of, beyond this point, guys, have a bit more of a nicer garden going on. Yeah, but I want to try and get this ground sorted and stuff. So I need to lift these flagstones now. These hidden flagstones, stepping stones, and then move them to one side so when the digger comes in we don't crack them, because we can reuse them. They're quite nice ones anyway. So he's back. Right, let's lift these up and then we'll see where we're at. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long, but just clearing up was a workout as it is. Got half for one here. Found a marble. Dino, catch! You can tell it's getting dark now. Right, that's all the slabs up. Slabby slabs are up. There's quite a lot of slabs in like certain places, and then they were spaced quite far, unless I've missed one here, which I reckon there's got to be one there as well, isn't there? Let me go and grab the spade. I don't think there is one there, to be fair. I think it's just a bigger gap. I think what they probably did is they started laying them here and then got to here and thought, oh, we're running out, we need to space them a bit, or it broke, who knows. Right, so some bags we're going to get rid of at some point. New fence panel in. That's the garden, guys. I mean, it's tough old work on your own, but I'm happy with where we're at with this. I think it's around 20 hours of work gone into this garden now, so that's the front and the back. So yeah, next week, guys, we're going to get Curtis in. He's going to... Oh, that was another thing. We were going to have a look at this to find out what this was. Let me go and get a wire brush and we'll just have a little butcher's to see what it is, because I think it'd be interesting to know, wouldn't it? Well, I've no idea what this is, but... Ashwood. Any idea, people? No idea. Just a nice creepy crawly in there. Right, so that's it, guys, we're done. I'm shattered. Bit of a boring video, I know, but it's important. It's a step in the right direction and had to be done because I needed to get in here, so when next time we come in and we got the digger, hopefully, if you guys want to see Curtis with the digger, then give us a comment. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and we will catch you in the next one. And as always, guys, if you enjoy the content, consider liking and subscribing. Take care, guys. Peace.